Now, let us solve this problem by using Newton's forward interpolation formula. Okay, if you're given that sine 45, sine 50, sine 55, sine 60, what we observe here, the interval between these 45, 50, 55, you have the step length, which we measure that as h, which is 5. Okay, so so corresponding to this, uh, we write in a tabular form, right? 45 with respect to x, and this is f of x, okay, in degrees. Okay, so let us write down 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, this is 0 0.701, 0 0.7660, and 0 0.8192, 0 0.8660. So 48 is in between this, right? Between 45 and 50. So we use Newton's forward interpolation formula. The formula corresponding to that is, please write down. Uh, Based on the differences, okay, how many differences are there? According to that, we write the formula. So suppose I find that here we have up to third difference. So we'll be stopping up to uh, this is delta 3 y naught. Okay. So let us find a solution for this. Yeah. So as x is in degrees, so which is 45, 50, 55, and 60, right? And f of x, so sine 45. Okay, so we have the given data, 0 0.7660, 0 0.8192, and 0 0.8660. Now the difference, the first difference is this minus this, okay? This minus this, okay? So the difference is 0 0.0589, okay? And difference of this and this will be um, which is 0 0.0532. Difference of this is 0 0.0468. Okay, now the second difference will be difference of these two. Okay, so which is minus 0 0.0057. The difference of this is minus 0 0.0064, and third difference. So as you can see here, it converges to uh, the single value, right? So uh, now according to Newton's forward interpolation and the first the forward difference, these are your forward values. Okay, the first is represented as delta uh, y naught. If this is x naught, this will be y naught. Okay, this will be y naught. Okay, this will be delta square y naught, and this is delta cube y naught. Okay, we got to substitute all this here. Yeah. Now How do you find P? So P is x minus x naught divided by h. H, which is pi, okay, the interval. So that is x. We we have to find x, which is 48 degrees. We need to find what is f of x, which is sine 48 degrees. So 48 minus x naught. X naught is this. This is your x naught, which is 45 divided by h, which is 5. So which is nothing but 0.6. Now we got to substitute it here. So f of uh, 48 degrees, which is nothing but sine 48 degrees. So 0. So 0. Y naught is this plus 0.6, which we found just now. P value substituting here into delta y naught. Okay, so 0.0589, okay, plus uh, 0.6. Okay, please substitute it quickly. So we have substituted all the values, which is these. Okay, these are the values which we have substituted. Okay, so this will be 0.7430848 approximately. So your sine of 48 degrees is this. Okay, approximately. So here uh, the areas of the circle with having diameter as x. So which is given. So for 80 it is this, and for 90, 95, and 100. We got to find the diameter of the calculate the area of the diameter, which is 1.5 degrees. So here, as you can see, the interval between 80 to 85, 85 to 90, and 90 to 100. And you can find h, the step length, which is 5 again. And as also you can see here, this is beyond this. So we'll be using Newton's backward interpolation formula. Okay. So here we have done, since it is going outside the given the range of x. So also we can do this by extrapolation also, right? So we're using backward interpolation formula. Let us solve this. Okay, so as I said, h, the step length, which is 5. Okay, let us write on the formula corresponding to this. Okay, so which is, I'll represent this as y as yn, okay, backward. So earlier it was the case of y naught, here yn, okay, q instead of p. So this is delta yn plus q into q plus 1. Okay, we had p minus 1 way to factor in, and this is delta square yn plus q into q plus 1, q plus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta q by n. Okay, since you need to have up to 4 differences, so this is q. 3 divided by factorial into delta. Okay. So how do you find the q? So which is x minus xn divided by h. So which is uh, try to solve this. Yeah. Read q as well. Now let us find the difference table for this. We find in the corresponding x and y. So this is y 6362 7088 and 7854. Okay. As you can see, the difference, this is the first difference in this minus this minus this, so which is 648, and again this minus this, okay, which is 688, this minus this, which is 726, this minus this, and you get 766. Again, the difference of this, okay, so which is 40, the difference of these two, which is 38, the difference of these two, which is 40. Again, the difference of these two, which is minus 2. This is the difference of 40 minus 38, which is 2. Again, the difference of this 2 minus 2, which is 2. So here it converges. So what, according to Newton's backward, and the value is beyond this. So your xn is this, and yn, okay, and these are your delta yn, okay, delta yn, delta square yn, delta q yn, and delta power 4 yn. So these are the values will be substituting in the given formula. Okay, so please substitute it. So that is 7854 plus 1 multiplied into uh, the q value as well. Okay. So 766, and this is 1 multiplied 1 plus 1q plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into 40. Okay, this one plus q into q plus 1 q plus 2 divided by 3 factorial multiplied 2, and so last is 4 1 0, because this is 2 minus of minus, okay, is corrected, and this is 1 2 3 divided by, which I've done it. Okay. And so when you simplify this, you get 8666. So this is for the area, which is for the diameter 105. So this is your answer. So as the previous problem and this current problem, we have seen that we have the equal intervals. Okay. These intervals